Hi friends, welcome to our channel, Our World Dakshika. In this vlog, we are going to see the detailed explanation about the solar system. Okay, the first one is Sun. Sun is the only star in the solar system. Sun is the only star in the solar system. The first planet in the solar system is Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system and it is nearest planet to the Sun. Venus. Venus is the second planet in the solar system. It is the hottest and the brightest planet in the solar system. Third, Earth. Earth is the third planet in the solar system. We live here only. Next, Mars. Mars is the fourth planet in the solar system. The fifth one is Jupiter. Jupiter is the biggest planet is Jupiter. Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet in the solar system and it is the second biggest planet in the solar system. Next, Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet in the solar system and it is the coldest planet. Next one is Neptune. Neptune is the eighth planet in the solar system and it is the darkest planet and it is far from the sun. The smallest planet is Mercury and the Jupiter is the biggest planet. Hottest planet is Venus and the coldest planet is Uranus. Also brightest planet is Venus and the darkest planet is Neptune. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.